Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we do things the right way, which is DaBraeWay, and I'm Bray, and we're doing another Amazon wig review. So this is a blonde bob wig. It's 13 by 4 by 1, which means it's a T-part. Yeah, it's straight, it's bob, it's a 12-inch. I'm gonna dye it. It's not gonna be blonde no more. But yeah, this is the UCUVIC store. Link in the description. I'm probably not saying it right. Link in the description. Go look at it. I'm gonna show y'all. This is what we doing right here. A little blonde bob, but I'm gonna dye it. Yeah, that's what we doing. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy right on up. The packaging is cute or whatever. It say thank you. It say happy every day, like not happy birthday, happy every day. You know, thanks for your purchase and stuff. Okay. And it comes with some lashes. So let's open this thing up. Paint bag. We're gonna put it right back in here. Okay. No smell. Oh my gosh, it's no smell. But I'm gonna have to probably cut this bob right, y'all. And it come with a beauty blender. Okay, I don't do all that makeup because I don't know how to do it, but okay, for my girls that do makeup full face beat down. Yeah, the lace is thin. Oh, let me not hold it like that. Yeah, it's just a little bob. I'm probably gonna cut her and fly down there and get her right. Y'all, I ain't no bob is so long, so I don't even know how this gonna look on me. It's 3 combs in there. Like I said, it's a T-part. I can't even flip her out. It's a T-part. What knots I do say, they don't look too bad. But you know you have to bleach no knots on no blonde wig. But I'm dyed, so we're gonna see how that come out. Matter of fact, it do gotta smell. It smells like sunflower seeds, but yeah, I'm gonna straighten it out. It's getting very much costly right now, but I'm making give what it's supposed to give. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be able to pluck this a little bit better than all the other T-part wigs I received so far. But I'm gonna make it give. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna make it give. Got a little shake to it, a little Edna to it. And I end up be walking through on The Incredibles. It's giving Edna, but I'm gonna dye it straight. And okay, y'all, so my camera has stopped working, but like I was saying, I'm just gonna dye it and everything, and then I'm come back with it on. Y'all already know how it goes, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I tried to record me putting it on, but it ain't work out. So I'm gonna do my little review and I finish with all of this. Yeah, stay tuned.
An eternity later.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. What's your name, B.O.B.? So they're calling you Bob? They calling me Bob, yeah. Okay, let me stop. Again, this is the UCUVIC store. I don't know how to say that, so yeah. 13 by 4 by 1, which means it's a T-part, 613 12-inch wig. Yeah, I was trying to record for y'all, like me installing it and cutting it, because I had to cut it into a bob, well, a shorter bob. I had to cut it and everything, but I had no storage, so you guys kind of missed out on that. But yeah, I love it. Usually I don't wear no bob because I be like, I feel like a bob get crusty after 2 days, so I usually don't wear no bob. But it's cute when not. The knots were medium size, not small. They were kind of big, on the big side. I didn't have to bleach it. It's a 613 wig, so yeah. It was easy to pluck because you can't pluck too much around the T-part or you're gonna be exposed. We're gonna know it's a wig. So you can't pluck too much, but I pluck just enough to where it's giving the girl's scalp, okay? Scalp. This hair, it's really soft, like extremely soft. Like my fingers just run straight through it. I washed the smell out. I had a smell, I washed it out like always. And it took the smell of the dye, and the dye smells really good. So now all I smell is the dye. It does shed, okay? Yeah, sorry to tell you, it sheds. But I really don't know if it shed because I'm combing it hard, because I was trying to make sure my bob was as straight as possible, and cutting the ends kind of made the ends look regular. I don't know if it's that, but it shed. I mean, it don't shed with me just running my fingers through it, so it don't shed that much. I think it's a great wig, and it's under $80. I think it's even under $60, or it might be right at $60. It's a great wig for the summer. You know it's hot, so why not wear a bob? Another thing is it's not big head friendly. I thought I had a little head, and this wig proved me wrong. If you tug at it hard enough, yeah, and I think I got a big forehead, so that would, took up all my space. But yeah, overall I think it's a great wig. 5 stars. You can add a little color to it, do whatever color you want to. It's real cute. I picked out a little outfit for it and everything. Yeah, I think it's extremely cute. What's your name? B.O.B. So they call you Bob. Get my Nikki on. But yeah, y'all already know it's gonna be in the description box, so make sure you go look at it. I'm gonna pause for a couple of seconds to make sure you go look at it. Now go ahead, hurry up now. Okay, now that you've added that to your cart, you might as well just go ahead and buy it. I mean, girl, it's under $100. Like, you can't beat that. You probably like, it's a T-part wig though. If you're good enough for doing the wig, you can't finesse it. It will come out looking real good, like extremely good. Go ahead and just go ahead and buy it. Like, I'm gonna keep saying it. Go ahead and buy it because it's a good wig. Go ahead. I'm gonna wait again. Yep. Now you got time to go buy it. Go ahead. All right. Now that you're done that, make sure you keep coming back for more. I got probably another wig. I think one more week with the review I'm probably gonna do. Yeah, so make sure you stay tuned. Right, comment, and subscribe. Look in that description box if you haven't already, even though I paused twice for you to go do so. Yeah, but make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. Diamonds on the neck, diamonds on the wrist, and here I am all alone.